Okay, I don't know how I might put this first. I've been riding for a little while already, but I might put this to first. So obviously, got the old handlebars on it. But as you can see, got the old grips off. I'm placing these some black ones. I think it'll look better. These just, you know, they get dirty and stuff. I was gonna like kind of clean more stuff up while I had stuff off, but I don't really care that much. So it's gonna get used and dirty again anyway. So if I ever want to clean it again, I'll do it then. But alrighty, so new handlebars are on. Pretty easy install. I also got some ODI lock-on grips, which are so much easier to install than normal grips. It's crazy. I think the black looks good. Black grips, black bar pad, before it was blue. I think it just looks a lot cleaner. It looks more stock, which I like the stock look. I was gonna throw some handguards on it, but decided not to because I'm still riding woods. I got the bike registered though. I just don't have the stickers on it yet. So hopefully some trail riding's gonna be coming soon. Oh, by the way, these are the Renthal Twinwall 999 bend. I just got them. I was watching a Jeff Walker video on it, and he said that these are one of the thing parts he recommended for shorter people, and I'm like 5'6", so should work out for me. Bike looks good, everything's cleaned up, and I'll be riding tomorrow. Not feeling great today. I'm not sure how I like the grip. My hands just have calluses, or whatever they're called. I'm not riding great, but I'm starting to feel a little better, a little more confident, but I got tired once I started riding faster, so I did focus on squeezing the bike a little more. I'm coming here for a Moto Academy on July 1st, so I'm kind of hyped for that. I signed up for it. Hopefully we can learn how to ride ruts better, because I cannot at all on this thing. I kind of could get away with it on my KLX, but oh well. Okay, I'm done for the day. Give me a second. Alrighty, so my GoPro kind of died, so I didn't get a lot of the riding. Not much change though since when I did record. But yeah, I got 28.3 hours on her now. I did run her out of gas, so that was fun pushing the bike back. But other than that, good day riding, progressing a little bit. You know, I mean, it was kind of a rough day out there. I got tired, and I felt like I just really could not commit to a lot of the corners. I don't know why, I just felt off. It was, you know, first time riding this track in a while, but you know, keep showing up, keep riding, and that's all we can do, right? So should be good.